Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's up?
Dog probably ate like a plastic bottle cap like 30 minutes ago.
Has she pooped it out yet?
No.
I guess you might could. Depending on how long you're gonna be here today.
No. They had this couple over there and they're like, this is adorable. My dog just kept stealing stuff. They had a water ball just sitting on the ground like 2 feet in front of them. I was just
Honestly,
like,
I think you're actually right that it might not have to tap for this water stall concrete pad.
maybe. Who is that? Is that Bodie or Juno?
Both of them.
Pretty good.
They both got you.
Get the ball! That's not how soccer works.
Yeti!
That's not how soccer works.
Does one of y'all have a bag?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Hello.
They're all playing soccer.
Yeah.
Inappropriate? Yes. Fun.
Yeti's a defender.
Yeti's good.
He's a defender. We play in the yard.
Yeah. He's
I have
good
a
at
little. I have a little net back there. So.
it. He's pretty good.
I get my cardio in with him.
You've been out yetied.
Yeti's the best player here.
He'll block.
He's
He's a defender.
Oh, what did you do? No. Oh.
Yeti.
Yeah, Micah.
Michael for the steal.
Yep.
Oh, Genie.
They're fine, they're playing.
Oh, got it again.
Nope.
Did you pee on my bench? What did that you, huh? Don't you pee on my bench. Don't you pee on me either.
My phone's about to die though. Can I call you back? Are you working tonight? Like, do you need to be working? Okay, yeah, I just want to call you back. Okay, I will call you. Okay, love you.
Down there.
Looking the wrong way, buddy.
Get it. Down there.
Oh shit. Go, Oscar, go.
We'll never find it.
Yeah, I know.
If it's not within like a 10 by 10.
10 feet.
Yeah, it's gone.
Said, where'd you throw it? Where'd it go? That's funny.
This is my own dog.
Oh, sorry, that's way off. I had my...
You know, when she gets hit by a toy, it doesn't phase her.
That's not a toy, that's a sock.
Toy to her.
Go, girl.
I got you.
I think my dog found her calling.
Get him pointed in the right direction first.
And I gotta make sure he sees
Yeah,
it.
he sees it.
As
No,
soon
it's
as
just a long walk.
You do this motion, he's walking whatever direction you think he's going to throw it.
Is his name is Oscar?
Yeah. Going this way.
Maybe this also the sunlight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Bodie.
He stole your ball. Yeah, what you gonna do? He stole your ball.
I'm trying.
I got it. Number 2.
Watch out. Sorry about that.
Like orange.
At least you could see it.
HOA thing.
Hey, Eddie.
I want you back here after that, looking for that bottle cap.
I'm telling you, it's probably not there, and she probably is fine. Just see how she is by tomorrow. Yeah.
You shouldn't give it to other dogs, Oscar.
It's very frivolous with it.
Yeah. Oh. Is this a wrestling match?
You know, and Bodie.
Because I recognize your dog. There was a girl whose dog was related. Not water. I'm here.
Not all English people knew how to play soccer.
You know I'm not liking the moon.
What do you mean? You're from another planet.
And she's been inside all day.
Huh?
Go play, buddy.
It's football.
Lazy dog.
But that adding, okay,
Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Oh, he got it. I got some teeth in that.
Oscar. Oh, no.
I mean, you can't even get mad at the phone.
No, man. This is a free soccer ball I got down here.
He stole it anyway.
Alright, good, my toe hurts.
A good game, guys.
Yeah.
They don't care.
You put a hole in it?
No, he's just taking off some of the skin.
Micah's done it a couple of times too.
Oh, he's fine, man.
I don't think
Unlike
she's
other
strong
people,
enough
I
to
expect the
have alcohol
dogs
to
to
do
Well, I mean,
play
well,
with whatever you have in the dog park.
You can't expect anything else.
Well, earlier, some people just had everything spread out. My dog was just snatching thing after her. And finally, I was earlier, I was like, what is going on? Just put your stuff up.
Please.
We should do badminton.
Badminton? All those are fun. Volleyball
Watch
is
your,
really
watch your
fun.
dog fucking crap.
You should play volleyball.
So within the first 20 minutes of Roxy being here, she stole like 7 things.
I am going to punt this
You're
as hard as I
kidding.
can.
Roxy. Well, then I was on the ground getting tackled by Micah and Nico, and little brat comes up and grabs the sunglasses straight off my face.
Oh no.
That's why I buy cheap sunglasses, because I either lose them in the lake, step on them, or now apparently
Dogs steal them.
mine doesn't.
Punt it.
But yeah, I stopped buying expensive sunglasses years ago. Because I paddleboard and stuff, so I'm always on the lake.
Get it, Micah.
I guess I could potentially land on a dog.
Yeah,
They'll be all right.
I mean,
Most of them.
I
Just
hit
bounce
mine-
right off of them.
Just
I
your
hit mine
dog
dead
would knock
straight
it
in the
out. Every other dog's big enough.
That's why we're in the big dog park.
My dog is big enough for the big dog.
I bring a scale.
So, what is it? 50?
25.
25?
25 and above here.
Is it 20 or 25?
I think it's 25.
25.
Because I know others, it's like 30
Yeah.
at other dog parks. I bring mine to wherever there's more dogs. If I go somewhere and the big one's dead and there's a bunch of small ones, I can go in there.
Oh, some guy yelled at us because we went to a little dog park one day because this was all muddy, you know.
Yeah, but we don't yell at people when they bring their little
No,
dogs in
we
here.
don't.
It's
It's,
so stupid.
plus, he's the guy that
It's not like
smokes a
they're gonna
cigar
kill
over
'em or
there.
something.
Well, I don't want to be near somebody smoking a cigar
Nah.
anymore. I mean, I have my own vices, but at least mine doesn't smell.
You can smell his cigar down here sometimes. Yeah.
I used to work at Wild Wings, that was off of Lawrenceville Swanee, like just right down the road before they closed. And they had like an indoor smoking patio, and when people would smoke cigars in there, it would smell up the entire restaurant and make me so nauseous. Oh, I hate cigars.
He's going to pop that thing.
Come on, give it to me.
Is that your dog?
This no, mine's Micah. Mine's over there with her owner. We're trading.
You trading dogs.
Out of the water. Good. You guys just drinking water. Gotta make sure they don't start pulling chunks.
That's a good squeeze.
You can't pop this one, can you?
Here comes trouble.
Genie.
Come here.
Where'd it go?
He does know to come.
Micah, you know, recently Micah's not listening as well as she used to. I think she's just being a little stubborn recently.
Maybe he's in his teenage years or something.
Yeah, but even like, I don't put her on a leash when we like get home because she'll usually come straight to the door, and she's just been like lingering around the car. I'm like, Micah, she doesn't even like look up at me. So I might have to start getting a little stricter again. She's tired. Yeah. We were playing with that ball for quite a while, and between her and Yeti.
Yeah, she looks tired.
Are you tired, baby? Come here.
Probably from all the concussions Micah gave her by kicking the ball straight in her face.
Like, yeah, I did hit her dead on like 3 times.
Mom, why you do
I
that?
mean, I didn't want to, but I'd rather do it to my own dog than somebody else's. I did kick Yeti in the face, though.
Oh no. He's big enough.
Yeah.
He's playing soccer every day in the backyard with his
Yeah,
pop.
he's good at it.
Does that have any rips in it when we started?
No. But I mean, yeah, it's free ball I got from people over there.
Was that fun, Micah?
This is my dog park soccer.
You have to work tomorrow?
Yeah. No, I don't even have that extra vaccination that you need to get.
The leftover or whatever?
Yeah. You have it?
Yeah.
Why'd you guys all get that?
Probably because she goes to doggy daycare. Honestly, I don't even know. I just got my vet to email me her records and it was on there. Is that the dog flu vaccine or no?
It's for like drinking water or whatever, dirty water.
They might have suggested it because she comes here and goes to daycare and stuff.
I think when I took my dog to Thrive on a Saturday just to get flea message, I found a flea hunter. It was a weekend. My vet's not open on the weekend. They were like, we can give her this. This is for like in case a raccoon pees or something. I was just like, not worth it.
Bordetella?
Unless like leptospirosis
Oh,
or whatever.
leptospirosis. Okay.
I can Photoshop vaccine records for you. Cut that out.
We were telling Daniela that she needed to have it, and she's like, I don't give a shit, Robbie. They're gonna let me in. I was like, no, they're not. You need to check your records. She's like, they're gonna let me into that dog park.
What dog park is that?
They're going down to fetch tomorrow for Darby's birthday. Happy birthday, Darby.
Bougie dog park.
They're going at 1 on a Sunday though. I have a second job. I only work there 1 day a week, so I feel it's like if you work a place 1 day a week, it's kind of like dick to be like, I'm not coming in.
I don't want to come in.
Well, it depends on how often you do that.
I'm taking Christmas and New Year's off because I'm going on vacation for my real job. So it'll feel cool.
You should let me come pick up your dog. Why she doesn't have the...
Yeah, she doesn't have the vaccinations. Yeah, she would have a ton of fun. Yeah.
So this dog park checks your vaccination records before they let
$10
people
to
in?
get in. You can drink there. Not that you can't drink here.
They have a bar though.
Yeah.
And like a little coffee bar and stuff and TVs and they have like doggy wardens. So if your dog is, you know, acting up and whatever, you get kicked out.
I am gonna be so curious.
No,
like,
Bodie would get kicked out.
It's gonna be embarrassing, or
But I
like,
think it's like if they're violent or whatever.
you don't think Rocky's gonna be barking at all the dogs? And you're gonna be like, I don't know you.
I don't think barking's the issue. I think it's if they're like snapping
Hey.
at each other.
No, I'm not saying he's gonna get kicked out. I'm just saying everybody's gonna be like, what is going on?
Who knows? It'll be an experience.
It will be an experience. So I'll be at work.
What are you doing?
No,
Treats!
I'm
Treats!
getting my treat out, not your
Treats.
treat.
Dog treats. Got half the park here now.
Alright, never mind.
No treat for you. Bodie.
Oh, hello.
You haven't fooled them.
Yeah, but they don't have access anymore.
Look behind you. I said, what?
What do you think?
Hey, buddy.
What do you have here?
What you got
Need a
up there?
smell-proof bag.
What you got up there?
I have human treats in here for me.
Even
Like
Bodie's there, and he's not treat active.
You say that, but he wanted a treat last time. Shut it down.
Now he walked away.
Alright, everybody's blowing up my spot over here. Come on, George.
Who are you?
I got nothing. I got nothing.
Come on, Georgia.
That's
Has she been here
Georgia.
this whole time?
Where's Willow?
She must have been done there.
There's Willow right back here.
Oh, there you are. How did you recognize her?
Come on, Georgie.
Hello, Willow. Haven't seen you in a long time.
Yeah, they haven't been up here during the week a couple nights, but
He's always hungry.
come on, Georgie.
I dog too. No, it's okay.
At least
I
he's
have
hungry.
like dog treats. It's my fault.
Yeah, I sort of.
You want a treat?
I learned my lesson bringing dog treats in the dog park.
You want a treat?
Your first time, I got swarmed on one.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh my goodness.
Say, what you got for me? You're not fooling that dog.
You can have one.
Hi, Tiffany.
Even Bodie will take one today, I think.
Bodie?
Yep.
Oh, you don't even want it.
Nope.
That's weird. What'd you do to him?
He just doesn't like treats.
Electroshock.
It's the husky part of him.
Oh, yeah. Alright, get out of here.
You just seen one day, some lady had a salmon flavored, the salmon flavored ones.
Yeah.
Gave it to
Micah.
Juno. She spit it
Micah,
out
you
and
already
then
got one.
walked over and peed on it.
You already got one.
Now Juno will take one.
Gino. Gino, you already got one. You little braggart. You little braggart. There you go.
Genie. Do something.
My dog will let me grab her at the end of the day now with
the
she knows
treats?
I have treats. But not even. I'm just saying she's not as wary now that I've been giving her treats. Now she's like, come and get me.
She's just growing up.
Nope, it's the treats. I ran around here for 30 minutes one night and I said that's the end of it. She had grabbed some guy's water bowl. I was chasing around. Everybody left me. It was dark. So I had enough.
Yeah, one day some guy had a shepherd that just kept running around away from him. He even went outside the fence and the shepherd just would follow him, and he'd come in, the shepherd run away. He must have done it an hour before somebody caught him.
That's it's I was glistening with rage.
That doesn't seem knotted or anything. Yeah, do it when she's laying down asleep. Micah, you're getting your face bit. She was working a wedding today. She said that she was on the floor. That's why I thought maybe she would come out again.
Isabella!
Oh, Isabella.
Yes, Isabella's here.
Micah, come here. I'm going to strip off your clothes.
There goes the harness.
Come here.
Oh, she's got a collar on. There you go.
Isabella. 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 Yo, leave my dog alone.
I just say let it happen, buddy. Let it happen. See?
I don't want her to get her teeth stuck in it or anything either.
Weird.
No, I don't want her to hurt herself.
Hello.
Weird.
Hello. Sorry.
Yeah,
you're
you're
fine. I know the drill. I don't want to give her anything to get her teeth stuck in there. Anything like that. Isabella. Hi, Juno. Hi, Juno. Hi, Juno. No. Guys, be careful. The instigator over here.
I don't know. Roxy's more like a hinge.
Whoa, good heat, good leap.
Isabella, no, no.
You can see her looking at it.
Like, I'm not gonna work with that though.
I'll wait till he brings it back. I'll stalk it.
I'll stalk him and bully him.
Yeah. Uh-oh, that didn't take long.
And Oscar's scared. Oscar's like, I'm not gonna go fight her
Nope.
for that.
I saw her lip lift.
Good timing on that one.
What?
3 emojis left when she comes in.
Oh, yeah, I see. I'm getting done.
You got it, huh, girl?
You're messing with the lion, dog.
Think about her.
You're messing with...
Too big for you. Give me a hit. Give me a hit. Let go.
Say.
There you are singing that Disney song again. Let it go, let it go. What'd I do with it?
It looks like when, real football, when they punt the ball and everybody stop and look at the ball.
What was it doing?
Yeah, what was...
What's going on here? What am I supposed to do with this now? I got it. Here comes Lexi. Here comes Lexi.
I guess I'm gonna go into my office over here.
I have treats in my backpack every time. I gotta check my phone and make sure I didn't get called in. They won't call me after 6. They won't call me.
You don't have a ringer on?
I don't know. I was running around playing soccer. Did I really look at you?
You got caught in here about an hour late.
I had 2 hours to
You
respond.
probably have already got fired of everything. They probably fired you already.
No, not a lot of people will do what I do. You don't know the horrors that I see.
The horrors that you see.
Oh, the horror. No, we're good. 6-10. Get fired. Why you broadcasting that doom on me?
Trash compactors to unpack, huh?
It's just like a hospital or the Gwinnett County Jail. They just like they get like special treatment. They sign a contract. You get.
You have 2 hours to go get them, huh?
Oh, look at Bodie over there.
Oh God, Bodie. Bodie.
I love when the other dogs go
He's a puppy.
Bodie's fixed, so it's okay. One of the others fixed, we're okay.
She was playing with Lex. She was playing with Lex at the top. Yeah, she was playing as a bell and you came in. They were chasing each other for a few minutes.
Bodie says, "This is my park. Let me talk to you."
I know.
She helps. With a husky pack.
Give Oscar his ball back. Come on. Oscar wants his ball back.
Juno, no. Hey, big girl. Hey, big girl.
I was gonna say we should all come and infiltrate it.
I don't know any of those people. No, it's just old. That's what I tell you. The early bird special.
Olivia,
They all hang around the picnic table. Seems like.
So old and crusties.
No. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, I think they.
Hold on to it.
I think they all meet at 9. Leo will go to the morning.
Let her have it.
You won't.
When I don't work, I wake up at 8:30. I'm not trying to bust ass and leave and come here. I'm gonna lay around.
I had too much alcohol like that. Give it a drive at 9 o'clock. But I'm about to go on vacation.
When?
I don't know. I got 2 weeks left, and I gotta take it by the end of the year. So
Are you gonna bring Roxy with you?
I'm not going anywhere.
Oh. Vacation.
Grabbing his legs.
Yeah.
Sit around in my underpants and drink scotch for half of it.
No.
The other half I'll do home project.
You don't sit around in jeans?
If I'm not leaving the house and the fires are roaring, no.
Bodie.
So then you just put jeans on to sleep?
Wait, it's so long.
I just sleep in whatever I leave at night with. If I'm wearing this is what I'm
Sorry, Oscar.
If I'm wearing jeans, whenever you see me here,
No.
dog part with it,
No.
I most likely wear this bed.
I don't know.
Probably not actually. I was on the ground here with dogs on top
What
of
are they eating?
JK.
Leave Oscar alone.
My dog loves plastic.
Is that what she's chewing on?
That bottle.
Definitely plastic.
Is it a bottle
That's
cap?
like a rubber.
She's stolen 2 water bottles.
And you can find it
2
again,
bowls.
can't
I
you?
think he ate a bottle cap today.
Yeah,
must
we
have.
looked around and tried to find one. We didn't see it. So either she ate it or it wasn't on in the first place.
I'm pretty sure my dog already ate a bottle cap today. Because they had somebody over there, they had all their stuff sprawled out, and they were like, oh, it's adorable. And my dog just kept
She keeps stealing
over and
stuff.
over again. Oh, they had a water
Then she
bottle.
saw sunglasses straight off the wall.
Yeah, it did. Hit a Roxy.
We went around and tried to find it like CSI for like a half an hour. We didn't find it.
I mean, there might not have been one on to begin with.
Yeah, that's the only cool thing about having a gigantic dog. I feel like you can eat anything, you don't have to worry about it. Pass it.
They got good acid in their stomach.
My coworker had to
Melts
think
get.
acid,
bones
but-
and stuff.
I don't think there are like silkworms that can digest plastic that they found, or what? It's something else. They're working on the technology, trying to figure out what the mechanism is, so they can break down plastic themselves.
My coworker's dog had to get a bowel resection because he swallowed a sock and it got stuck in his
Yeah,
intestines.
those can be bad.
A sock is huge, though.
Yeah. And it twists and turns.
No, my
All
dog has
about-
been good so far. She has swallowed a bunch of plastic, and she'll puke it up and then puke it out.
Bodie. Bodie. Jesus Christ. Bodie, no. No.
She's definitely eating the toys over here. What are you talking about?
Oscar just sits there.
Usually he don't deal with that
I
shit.
know.
Usually
I'm
Snap's
surprised.
trying to help him. He must be tired. I
Yeah,
don't know.
all the running around. He gave him the side eye.
Leave me the fuck
Oh,
alone.
don't come at me again.
Speaking the wrong language over there, you're telling her no and holding something up. That means yes.
No.
Let her poach.
No. Thank you. No.
Oh. Smack in the face.
It's worth it.
Go get Lex's boat.
The whip of tail.
Lex,
What you
What are you
doing?
doing?
What are you doing in the
Lex's
dog
go
park?
find Lex's.
look at Isabella.
Hey, he hasn't even messed with her today.
Because she had the ball.
What would you, if I got you beef lo mein, would you eat it?
No. Play with
Yeah.
Lex's.
There's a barely have a picture right
I've
now.
kind of learned that if she has a ball,
He'll leave us stay away, huh? Watch out!
no.
Still eat spicy.
Sorry.
Seafood is the best. No seafood?
I mean, like, I'll eat seafood, but it's not like I'm
Like
gonna.
shrimp? You don't like shrimp?
If I go to a restaurant, I'm not gonna order seafood. But like,
You're at a seafood restaurant, you're ordering seafood? You wouldn't even go.
if I'm near the ocean, I will.
What would you get, a Red Lobster or you get chicken breast?
I've never been to Red Lobster.
I wouldn't go to a Red Lobster.
Why not?
Are you
Like,
kidding?
if I'm gonna eat
I
seafood,
worked at one. I
I'm
mean,
gonna
it's
eat some
not
high
good. It's
quality.
not.
No, it's not good. That's why. They suck. They're not good. Why wouldn't you go there?
What I'm saying is
I
like,
hear about their.
I work there,
biscuits
so
being
I
good.
know it's not good. But that's what wherever you work, you realize that it's all smoke and mirrors when you work
Yeah.
at a restaurant.
But I mean, some are just like, one time you go there and it's like, no, I won't be
Dude,
back
the
again.
fanciest restaurant I ever worked at, it charges way like Cotton Cap Kitchen. Definitely had like a major cockroach problem for like a couple. But they got it cleaned up. I'm just saying these restaurants are only as good.
They all do.
as,
They all have mice and rats.
The craze in Lawrenceville is. I gotta say.
What, the crazy
Isabella?
downtown with
Yeah.
the upper
Yeah.
decker? Yeah, that place looks cool.
Like, but their food's actually good quality. Like, they don't just microwave shit like Applebee's.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I will say about Cotton Cap Kitchen in Bradley, they don't have a microwave in the whole place. So everything is cooked on a stovetop. That's pretty cool. But yes, Red Lobster definitely a microwave.
Yeah.
I try
Oh,
to stay
like
away.
a vegetable medley. You're like, that's my job when I was like 18
Let's
years
rewarm it
I
here.
stay away from corporate restaurants.
We don't
I'd
have
rather
all
go
the
to,
stuff
like,
ready.
mom and
old. Absolutely. I don't understand how we've gotten into like they're building more McDonald's. Like, how is that possible? Who is eating at
Who
McDonald's?
eats at McDonald's?
I
I
haven't
don't
had
know.
McDonald's.
I don't understand either. But
Or
they
Burger
never,
King.
they
My
never
kids
close
eat at
down.
McDonald's.
Well,
They get the happy
yeah.
meals.
You go to
Once-
McDonald's. You're doing it. They're not
Once-
driving to McDonald's. You're driving to McDonald's.
I don't think my
But I
nephews
also
have
don't
never
want to
had
eat
McDonald's.
make dinner sometimes, and
McDinner.
I'm a bad parent, so.
It's not even cheap anymore.
I'm just saying, just get a frozen pizza or something. Right? Who's going? McDonald's is it's a sad exchange on both sides.
My
Like,
kids won't eat much of it. They're very picky. They'll have like chicken nuggets. My son won't eat any meat except McDonald's chicken nuggets.
That's smart.
So if I make like hot dogs or burgers, he'll just have bread with cheese.
Oh, well, I'll call it back.
that is nonsense.
He will not eat anything.
Go sit over there.
I don't want to.
That is true. I mean, this is now. You know when you get a burger, like all pepper on is like the best part, like lettuce, pickle, and tomato and all. Like you get a bar burger, but like when you're a kid, you're like cheeseburger,
Yeah, plain.
cheese with a bun. You're like,
I wouldn't even have condiments on mine when I was little. Now I could never eat something just.
No, the burgers, like, does it have any?
Dogs are frisky today.
I think the only thing that my whole family will agree on
Are
is
you trying to get kisses from
Ah.
me?
spaghetti. But my son won't have anything with meat. Like, so I'll have like spaghetti and meatballs and get some sauce for him and meatballs for us.
He's vegetarian?
He's a vegetarian?
Not by our choice. We are not vegetarian, but he just doesn't like meat. He won't eat
It's
meat.
probably pretty, it's okay. Kind of healthy.
Well, yeah. I feel like meat as like a
Do you like meat?
I've heard that.
His favorite food is T-Rock tomatoes.
My coworker, I can't remember.
Hey, Storm. Storm.
Couldn't stomach when she was pregnant, and her kid hates that food. Like just like weird. Stuff.
More like diversion this semester. For the first trimester, all I can eat is lunch.
What you doing here?
Charmed and peanut butter
Okay,
sandwich.
probably got me. Did you eat anything while you were pregnant that you never?
You eat peanut butter before you were pregnant? You eating
I mean, not really, but it was like, that was the only thing that was.
Get him, Storm.
Hey, Storm, how you doing, girl? There, Storm. Storm, well, it's okay. Storm.
Yeah, I'd run too, yeah.
She makes a lot of noise, doesn't she? She makes a lot of noise. She makes a lot of noise. Hey, Storm.
Don't even think about it. Come here. Come here.
The sight of any
Let's go.
vegetable when I was
Come here, go, go. Broccoli, I smelled it.
What are you barking at Isabella for? Huh?
I'm all stressed out over here.
Jeez. Oh no.
She's gonna chase her. She's gonna get her. Oh, you're here.
While you're holding her still for me.
Is that your football or was that
No, it was here. That's what I thought, but I wasn't sure. Come here.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little overstimulated. Here, throw it over this way.
I was gonna throw and then I realized I was probably gonna take off. Because I don't have a good
Yeah, you're good at throwing at the ground.
Yeah. Like right. Like I'm trying to aim and it's like
So where did it go? Where did it go? Who's got it?
now go play nice. Go get Lexi. Where's Lexi? Go get her. Now you can get her. Get him, come on. Let's play. Guys, run.
Bodie?
It's gone. Go play.
Bodie? Bodie?
Isabella.
I think it is a full.
Yeah, kitchen makeup.
Getting close.
No, no.
You guys doing anything for Halloween tonight? Anything for Halloween stuff?
We did stuff last night. My son's school had a practice, so we did that. It was like a trick or treat.
I just saw like National Reservoir baseball field.
Bodie. Bodie. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? How did you know?
They never did it. They haven't done it in years. But now there's 50 kids in the neighborhood all of a sudden.
Oh, okay.
So we're trying to get the HOA to get on board. And they sent an email last week, so they were going to send a flyer around, but they still haven't done it.
Have you ever lined your yard with like bags of sand with a candle in it? You ever done that? Is it mine the only one that remembers that? And they'll like sell it to you and then you'll do it. You like put a little bag of sand and put a candle in it. Everybody will do it in the neighborhood. No? Nobody's ever even seen that?
No?
I've seen it on like a driveway, maybe. One driveway, so not the whole neighborhood.
It happened, baby. It happened.
Where's this at?
Yeah,
you wanna
like right
bring
up the
them
street
over
at Edgewater we did.
Really?
My neighborhood, a lot of kids
They
come.
have it?
Yeah, a lot of kids come from everywhere in my neighborhood.
If I don't hear from the HOA by tomorrow, I might help you with your street is.
Yeah, I mean,
Just go to the richest neighborhood you can
That's
find.
what my friends were saying. Like,
Where
just
the
go
kids
to like
are.
Hamilton Mill.
You'll be getting like
Creek or something.
you get full size candy bars. You'll be like pulling like.
Oh,
cell
God. They play like that all the time.
Marlowe's Country Club. And
They're really
Beckenham
rough.
Walk
The gated
Drive
though,
up
you'd have to, like,
Hurricane
sneak in.
Shoals is banging. That place is banging for trick or
I'm not the richest neighborhood, but a lot of kids come
I mean, as long as there's a
everywhere.
lot of kids.
Like it, and then there were
As long as people are giving out
some of
candy.
the neighbors that
Where
pull
the
a
li-
grill out and they
you
do
know where the
hot
lights are
dogs
on.
and stuff,
Oh,
and
yeah.
they do hot dog and beer and stuff like that for the dogs.
Not a lot of kids come to my neighborhood, but I load them up. So
I don't do it because I don't want to.
I just turn off the lights.
Yeah, I turn my lights off because I don't
You
want
are
to hear her
screwed.
barking.
Yep,
go
yep,
crazy.
yep.
I'm just gonna pull up bowl on my front porch. I don't want to socialize.
We try to
Nobody comes up to the driveway
Yeah.
anyway.
my house is about the darkest house in the neighborhood.
As long as there's houses that do it though.
Oh yeah.
Because last year I put a bowl out because we took the kids to the mall because I was told that none of the houses around us did it. But the mall was sucky. They just gave like Tootsie Rolls and
Oh,
stuff, and I was
yeah.
like, who wants Tootsie Rolls?
Yeah, my neighborhood they do competition who's the best dressed Halloween decoration.
Yeah, we do too.
What's
I don't know.
the street that does really amazing Christmas lights?
are you
Nobody
quizzing
knows.
us?
I went last year, and apparently it's like well known around here. They have competitions like within their HOA.
I know if you drive off of
shoot, there they go.
Guinness Ferry Road, and it's like,
Oh, God.
oh my, fancy lights. Most of them are gated communities, but you just see the lights out. Yeah.
But we went last year.
Isabella! Oh. Isabella! Hey, stop! Relax. Stop it! No! No!
Y'all are okay.
Calm down.
Choppy,
Shoo.
chop.
Shoo.
Isabella, you should be an alligator.
I got a predator face, man. I'll tell you what.
She's got some good snaps.
Look at her right now.
Oh.
Sage, do not go over there. Lexi,
Bodie, no. No. Leave Oscar alone. What is it with you and him today?
leave her alone.
Micah.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Micah.
She doesn't hear you.
Micah. Telling you, she's not listening.
No, she's not listening. That's right.
She didn't do this.
Oh, did you call?
About a year and a half. We're going through a regression.
You storm?
Sage, stop.
Well, I think she's also more comfortable here, so she's like, hey, I know what I'm doing. Like, I think if I went to a random dog park,
You will see tomorrow. You will see.
yeah, right?
Look at them watch us like it's a friggin' carnival.
Hey, don't jump. Do not jump. Hey, don't jump.
She's overstimulated.
Don't do it. Just chill.
Do they have water? We didn't take it.
Just chill. There's water over there.
What happened to all the jugs?
I'm gonna go buy a Dollar Tree and grab like a couple gallons of water and just bring it here with the jugs.
I've got a jug I'll bring tomorrow.
I have to go get water.
It's like they're all disappearing.
It's like I just asked for volunteers. You guys are like, where do they go? I will.
Who needs an old?
Every once in a while they get holes in them, you know, so you fill it up and they're shooting out the side.
Yeah.
They're empty by the time you get back down here.
Roxy.
See, I don't even buy like gallons of milk, so I never have like big
Roxy.
jugs. I live by myself.
Here we go.
No, we're not playing soccer. We'll go.
Does he play soccer? You like
No, I don't think so. I think he might chase it.
Yeti was going nuts with it. Yeti and
Well,
Micah.
Sage is also she plays really rough, and so she thinks that's like playing. But she,
All the dogs here play rough.
yeah, she plays so. She's
That's
very vocal,
all
and
our
I think
dogs
it
do.
also
Yeah, that's
is-
too far for me.
she's very vocal, like play with me, and then they're like, no. And she just like she really hates getting humped. She hates getting humped. She will fight.
He only humps boy dogs usually.
But she humps. She's like she humps. She's
Oh.
weird. Like I don't know. Like I just I hate her.
Yep. I was wrong.
No, he likes, or she.
The black one is a he.
He, okay. He likes her. He's been trying to hump her. Yeah.
I think he's humping everybody today.
Yeah. But it's also probably because she's like, stop. Like, I don't want you to do that. But also,
What breed is she?
oh girl, who knows? Who knows?
That is a homeless man in a dog's costume. Promise.
Hey,
Go, buddy. You did it. Deal with it.
She's like, I told you, don't hump.
No humping. Lexi says, I'll just smush you. I'll just smush you. I'll put my Isabella move on you. Who's your new buddy, Bodie?
Oh, that's a cute bird.
It's my fault. I know. I did it. My own fault.
If you throw it over, I'll jump.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you, Darby, were you good? Later.
Yeah, I'll probably just stay here.
No, it won't.
I don't know.
A perfectly good song.
Your dog's a little wet.
I can do it.
Don't fight her like she doesn't know you are.
Doesn't know you're only playing.
they play exactly.
Always scares people.
We blame Lex for all our dogs doing it.
Yeah.
Like she is like
Rightfully
ankle.
so, because he's probably. She caused no problem.
Not yet. She just waited for you. She didn't even come back. Looks like the Pied Piper.
I know you want to touch the soccer ball. Should bring tennis rackets.
Like this?
I played just like with my mom. My mom played through college and adulthood. I never played like as a sport.
Hey, Jenny. Hi, Jenny. Hey, Jenny.
Yeah, thank you, Allie. I never played as a sport.
There you go. Go get him, buddy. Go get him. Go get him.
Must be time to go home.
She thought so.
Is that your pacifier?
Yeah. You let it roll away pretty far.
Bodie. Bodie.
her alone.
I get the bark box for her.
Isabella? Yeah.
Say,
You and I were
leave her
I was
alone.
like a year, so now I just.
I signed up for the
Say.
6 months. It's like a,
Cody.
it's a lot.
And I got like the middle box. I didn't get the cheap
Hey.
box. I got the middle box. It's like a little bit tougher toy.
Yeah.
I want her to bite you. Come on.
Well, I like that it's like a toy within a toy.
Yeah.
She has like the eyeball one that came, and she hasn't chewed the outer part yet.
His toy box is literally just like remnants of Spark Box toys.
I'll randomly like go to Dollar Tree and buy a stuffed toy and just like shred it. Like let her get that out of her system. Yeah, I forgot to cancel my bark box subscription.
Yeah, I did too. And I didn't renew.
It was a big chunk.
And I find that the treats are, he doesn't really like the treats.
I have like 12 bags of the treats because like I don't go through 2 bags of treats every month.
Yeah. And he doesn't like some like pumpkin oatmeal and like stuff like that.
She likes some. I'm not a big treat giver.
Just make stuff that sounds good for humans. Like,
Yeah.
what dog wants
Yeah.
pumpkin oatmeal? They're not eating that
No.
themselves. No.
She liked the pumpkin bone broth that came in the last one.
See, I didn't. I threw that out when I
Really?
didn't put it on his food.
Yeah,
Look for
I
the
put-
bottle cap.
She loves it.
Oh, it won't be out for 24 hours.
I know.
At least.
Cody, he's sitting down, buddy. Thanks.
I know. My goodness.
He's not normally.
It's the weather. It's just so beautiful.
Full moon yesterday, that's why.
You know?
She snaps on you. She snaps on you.
Oh, okay. It's time.
Oh, it's time to go. Time to go.
Yeah, Juno's jumping. See you guys.
Later. Yeah, look at Juno's trying to. Come on, come
Come on.
on, Cody.
We're done. Come on, guys. I got you. I got you.